I have given you too many chances. I have given you too many chances. Naguhaye amahirwe menshi cyane. We have given them too many chances. We have given them too many chances. Twabahaye amahirwe menshi cyane. I have forgotten my keys. I have forgotten my keys. Nibagiwe imfunguzo zanjye. We have forgotten our baby. We have forgotten our baby. Twibagiwe umwana wacu. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Niba ukeneye kwihugura ku rurimi rw'Icyongereza, twandikiye kuri WhatsApp number ubona muri screen yawe. I have forgiven your mistakes. I have forgiven your mistakes. Nakubabariye amakosa yawe. We have forgotten all their mistakes. We have forgotten all their mistakes. Twibagiwe amakosa yabo. God has answered my prayers. God has answered my prayers. Imana yasubije amasengesho yanjye. God has blessed us. God has blessed us. Imana yaduhaye umugisha. I have finished my work. I have finished my work. Narangije akazi kanjye. She has cleaned the house. She has cleaned the house. Yasukuye inzu. He has washed the car. He has washed the car. Yogeje imodoka. They have built a new school. They have built a new school. Bubatse ishuri rishya. We have planted many trees. We have planted many trees. Twateye ibiti byinshi. I have written a letter. I have written a letter. Nanditse ibaruwa. She has cooked dinner. She has cooked dinner. Yatetse ifunguro rya nimugoroba. She has repaired my phone. She has repaired my phone. Yasanye telefoni yanjye. They have opened the shop. They have opened the shop. Bafunguye iduka. We have closed the windows. We have closed the windows. Twafunze amadirishya. I have read the Bible. I have read the Bible. Nasomye Bibiliya. She has learned English. She has learned English. Yize Icyongereza. He has taught us. He has taught us. Yatwigishije cyangwa se yaratwigishije. They have helped me. They have helped me. Baramfashije. We have visited our grandparents. We have visited our grandparents. Twasuye ba sogokuru na ba nyogokuru. I have called my brother. I have called my brother. Nahamagaye umuvandimwe wanjye. She has sent the message. She has sent the message. Yohereje ubutumwa. He has received the money. He has received the money. Yakiriye amafaranga. They have bought a new car. They have bought a new car. Baguze imodoka nshya. We have sold our old house. We have sold our old house. Twagurishije inzu yacu ishaje. I have found my wallet. I have found my wallet. Nabonye ikofi yanjye. Cyangwa se nabonye ikofi yanjye. She has lost her bag. She has lost her bag. Yatakaje igikapu cye. Cyangwa se yataye igikapu cye. She has paid the bill. She has paid the bill. Yishyuye fagitire. They have started the meeting. They have started the meeting. Batangiye inama. We have completed the project. We have completed the project. Twarangije umushinga. I have changed my mind. I have changed my mind. Nahinduye icyemezo cyanjye. Bivuze ko ni icyemezo nari nafashe ariko nagihinduye. She has improved her English. She has improved her English. Yateje imbere icyongereza cye. He has won the competition. He has won the competition. Yatsinze irushanwa. They have lost the game. They have lost the game. Batsinzwe umukino. We have shared our food. We have shared our food. Twasangiye ibiryo byacu. I have kept your secret. I have kept your secret. Nabitse ibanga ryawe. She has broken the glass. She has broken the glass. Yamenaguye ikirahure. He has chosen the best option. He has chosen the best option. Yahisemo uburyo bwiza kurusha ubundi. They have caught the thief. They have caught the thief. Bafashe umujura. We have thanked God. We have thanked God. Twashimiye Imana. I have trusted you. I have trusted you. Nakugiriye icyizere. She has encouraged me. She has encouraged me. Yanteye umwete. He has protected his family. He has protected his family. Yarinze umuryango we. They have respected their parents. They have respected their parents. Bubashye ababyeyi babo. We have welcomed our visitors. We have welcomed our visitors. Twakiriye abashitsi bacu. I have achieved my goal. I have achieved my goal. Nageze ku ntego yanjye. God has changed my life. God has changed my life. Imana yahinduye ubuzima bwanjye. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.